computer. Okay, good. Well, welcome to our second week of classes, our second week of this level, using the unit news and weather. The last week we started this unit news and weather that talks about the past tense, the past simple tense in English, ED pronunciation, irregular verbs, questions, negative sentences, everything in past. And let me show you, let me remind you, we were doing this page with these events, the years. We read about this man, Ed Muro. We read this also, history and story. We did this. And today we're going to start the part of the weather. You know the weather? When it is sunny, cloudy, windy, if it is
Yes, snow.
snowy, the weather. And for today, we're going to be reading the Great Eskimo Vocabulary Hoax. The Great Eskimo. The last week we read this. We read the storm chasing, all this. For today, we're going to read the Great Eskimo Vocabulary Hoax. But first, we are going to start with these two photos. Well, more, 5 photos. What kind of weather, what type of weather is this photo? What is happening
It's
here?
rainy.
It's raining, right?
Yes,
For this type of weather, we say this is rainy, rainy. And this one,
rain.
what's this? It's like cold.
Snowy.
It's snowy because it's cold. I'm going to write the name here, but give me one sec. This one, what's this?
Cloudy.
It's cloudy because there are clouds here, clouds. And this one, what's
I
this?
don't know if you say winter.
Windy,
Wind, wind,
windy. This windy
windy.
it's when there is a lot of wind. You know the wind, viento, wind. It's windy. This one. This is a photo with windy weather. And this
Windy.
one,
Sunny.
sunny. It's a sunny day. Sunny, windy, cloudy, with a lot of clouds. This one here is windy.
Snow.
No,
Snowy.
snowy, snowy, snowy. And this one here is rainy,
Rain.
rainy. When there is a lot of rain, rain, snowy, cloudy, windy, sunny. Yes. What's your favorite type of weather? Tell me. What type of weather do you prefer?
My uh no snow but cold.
Cold,
Mhm.
but not snowy.
Not too much, not too
Okay.
cold.
Not like Alaska, no, like
No.
like that. But cold, cold weather.
Yeah. Like Maracaibo.
Yeah.
No.
You can also say cool. Cool is like it's a temperature that it is not cold, but it's not
Mhm.
warm. It's
Okay.
cool. It's like in the middle. That's another form of using the vocabulary for the temperature. Cool weather.
Cold.
Cool
Cool.
weather, it's like maybe San Cristobal, maybe La Puerta, that's cool weather. Cool.
Okay.
Caracas also, cool weather. And Kelvin, Valentina, uh, what's your
I
favorite?
think
Oriana, what's your favorite type of weather? Tell me. Here is this.
I'm the only here.
Hot,
Here's rain.
Oh, there you
Valen.
like it's hot,
No, Oriana, tell me.
like hot or warm.
Hot? Do you like hot
Yeah.
weather?
Yes.
Yes? You don't like cold weather, you don't like snowy.
I mean, I haven't like touched snow, been
Mhm,
in place or snow.
mhm.
Like the closest to snow that I've been is ice skating.
Okay, and you didn't like it.
I like skating it, but no the cold.
Mhm. Well, you maybe, yeah, you like cold weather, but you prefer hot. If you have to choose one, you would say hot. Sunny
Yes,
days, hot days.
yes.
For the temperature, we have temperature like this. We have boiling. Boiling is really, really, really hot. That's like Maracaibo, boiling. It's hot. Then we have hot, of course. Then we have warm. This is for hot temperature. Warm, hot, boiling, that is extreme hot. And
Bachaquero.
then we have cool, cold, and freezing.
Free, freeze.
Freezing, yes. Cool weather, cold weather. Freezing, freezing is, I don't know,
Like the picture?
like North Pole, like the Antarctic. Freezing is really, really cold. Okay. Like Frozen, like the movie.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's really, really cold. So for the temperature, freezing, cold, cool, or warm, hot, boiling. Boiling, it's like, boiling water, like this. Boiling, when the water is boiling, it's like this. Boiling water, like this. It's really, really hot. It's boiling. Okay.
Okay.
And who else is here? Kelvin? Um, Alejandro? What's your favorite type of weather?
Cool.
Cool weather.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Like
I don't
which
like hot.
places? In which places do you like it for weather?
Mm,
In which place?
Merida, for example.
Merida, for example. That's cool. Oh, it depends. It's also cold. If you go to a
Yep.
Paramo, that's cold. So yes, I'm talking about weather. And for today, we have a paragraph about the Great Eskimo, the Eskimo, this Eskimo, here, Eskimo, these ones, here, the Great Eskimo vocabulary hoax. You know what is a hoax? Hoax. Nope. Hoax?
It's a animal?
No. Hoax. A hoax, it's something that is not true. So it's an idea that is not true. I'm going to write it here to show you. Hoax.
History.
And here, un engaño, something that is not true. En ese
Okay.
párrafo es como un engaño, algo que no es cierto. Something that is not true, a hoax. Vamos a leer acerca de los esquimales, de esquimo, y un poco de su vocabulario, como qué palabras tienen ellos para nombrar a la nieve, to the snow. They have different words to call the snow. Okay, so we are going to be reading this paragraph, the Great Eskimo Vocabulary Hoax. Here's Eskimo. It's on page 83. And who wants to go with the first part with this? Hoy vamos a estar leyendo bastante.
Me?
So, who wants Jose, the Great Eskimo Vocabulary Hoax?
Okay. How many words do the Eskimo have for snow? In 1911,
In
one book,
1911,
in 1911, one book said there were 4 words. Some years later, another book said there were 7. In 1940, Benjamin Wolf, an American linguist, said that Eskimos have different words for snow because see no, they see snow differently.
differently, yes. So how many words do Eskimos have for snow? Because they have different words for the word snow. It depends on the snow, it changes. So let's see how many words do they have for the snow. Who wants to go with this, with the second? This one. Here.
Me.
Alejandra, over the years,
Over the years, the story continued,
Mhm.
and the numbers grew.
Grew.
Some books say that the Eskimos had 100 words for snow. Others say 1,000. So how many are there really? The truth is there is an easy answer to the questions.
Easy answer,
To the
yes.
question.
You know what is this? Grew. Grew. The numbers grew.
Is the past of grow?
Grow.
No.
Grow, yes. The numbers grew. It grew. And also here, answer. Answer. The W is
Mhm.
here. Answer. Answer. And the W is not pronounced.
Sure.
Answer. Yes. Let's see this. Okay, let's see how many words they have for snow. Who wants to read this the longest?
Me.
Yeah, Oriana, first of all,
First of all, there isn't only one Eskimo language. There are many. Also, native people of Arctic don't use the word Eskimo. They don't like it. They call themselves Inuit or Aleut.
hmm,
And finally, having words for different types of snow really isn't
mhm,
unusual. There are many words for snow in other languages too. In English, for example, we have sleet, snow and rain, slush for snow or water, or blizzard, a snowstorm, and others.
yes. So first of all, it says that the Eskimos, they don't like to call themselves Eskimos. They don't use it. They call themselves Inuit or Aleut. So they don't call themselves Eskimos. So first of all, they have these names. They know not Eskimos. And for snow, they have different words. They have they don't have an exact number. Like it says there isn't only one Eskimo languages. There are many languages because there are many tribes, not just one. There are many. And in English, we have different names for the snow too. We have sleet, we have slush, we have a blizzard. Let me show you what is a blizzard. A blizzard. Ah,
Teacher, but what is significate?
what?
What? Broma.
Oh, this one.
Hoax.
Hoax. Hoax is something that is not true. Es un engaño. Something that is not true.
Una broma.
No, no broma de joke, no, sino algo que no es cierto, un engaño. Dice, el engaño del vocabulario de los esquimales, que las personas piensan que tienen miles de palabras para la nieve y no necesariamente es así. Por eso es un engaño, es algo que piensan que es así, pero las personas piensan que es así, pero no. A hoax puede ser también una broma, pero
Okay.
en este es un engaño. It's a hoax. Algo que no es cierto. A hoax. Yes. Hacer pose. And for the snow, para la nieve, tienen varios nombres. Está sleet, slush, blizzard. A blizzard, for example, is a snowstorm, una tormenta de nieve. A blizzard, this. Cuando hay una tormenta de nieve, podemos decir blizzard, blizzard. Porque si decimos storm, storm most of the time is like this, right? But if it is a storm, like for the windy places, you can say it's a blizzard, blizzard. For the snow, we have a sleet. Let me show you sleet. La nieve cuando está así, como granizo, sleet, sleet. You can say that's sleet. And you can also say slush, snow, slush. Slush es cuando está así. Eso pasa cuando empieza el clima de nieve, de winter, the season, you see the snow like this slush is here, slush. El slush es como nieve derretida, slush. Y sleet es como granizo, sleet, like this. Y blizzard es una tormenta de nieve. sea, ese vocabulario es bastante extenso sobre la nieve, no solo es la palabra snow y ya, no, hay muchos tipos. Y los esquimos, de esquimos, they don't like that word. Ellos no les gusta, dice esquimo, la palabra esquimo, no, they prefer Inuit or Aleut. They prefer those names. And who wants to read the last, the final, the linguists? Who wants to read this? Someone. Let's see who's here. Alejandro.
I'm talking- I got it.
Oh, Kelvin.
Yeah. Linguists call
Words.
words idea the great scheme of vocabulary holds. So the next time someone tells you that Eskimo have a 1,000 words for snow, tell them it isn't true.
Yes. Because people have the idea. Las personas piensan que los esquimales tienen miles de palabras para llamar a la nieve. Y eso no es cierto. Ni siquiera se pueden contar porque depende de las tribus. Pues cada quien le tiene su nombre diferente. Entonces, vamos a leerlo una vez más. Ahora ya lo leímos la primera vez como para asimilarlo. Ahora para entenderlo mejor lo que quiere decir el párrafo. Okay. The Great Eskimo Vocabulary Hoax. El engaño de el vocabulario de los esquimales. The Great Eskimo Vocabulary Hoax. Jose, you were the first. Do Eskimos?
Okay. Do Eskimos really have more words for snow? How many words do Eskimo have for snow? In 1911, one book said there were 4 words. Some years later, another book said there were 7. In 1940, Benjamin Worth, an American linguist, said that the Eskimos have a different words for snow because they see snow differently.
Different, yes. Then we have Alejandra over the years. Is Alejandra here? Let me see. Yeah, Ale, over the years.
Yeah. Over the years, the story continued and numbers grew. Some books say that the Eskimos had 100 words for snow. Others say 1,000. So how many are there really? The truth is there isn't an easy answer
Answer.
to the question. To the question.
Yeah, because the W is silent. It's mute. Answer.
Answer.
That's
Answer.
Answer, yeah. Let me show you on the answer. Let me show you. Sure.
Answer. Answer.
It's more like N, answer. It's an A, but it's more A-E, answer, 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 answer. Es la mezcla de la A y la E, answer, answer. Y la W is silent, it's not pronounced. And you can see here, aquí se pueden ver que no está escrita porque no existe. We don't pronounce the W there. Let's go with, the same happens when we say this, lo. The W is not pronounced, lo. Or when we say, for example, this, so. The W is not pronounced. Or when we say this, awful. The W is not pronounced. Most of the time, the W is silent. Like in this case.
But I always make a mistake with that word because I associate that with like I swear or sweater that use the W.
Yes.
You know, when I saw that word, I always say answer. And it's answer.
Answer.
Or answer.
Because the W, most of the time, the W is silent. Not always, but yeah, for example, not always, because if I say, for example, wait, the W is pronounced. Or when I say weather, the W is pronounced, of course. But when the W is like, most of the time when it is at the end or in the middle, sometimes it's silent, it's mute, it's not pronounced. When it's at the beginning, you can pronounce it, but when it is in the middle, most of the time, it's silent. See, Oriana, first of all, There isn't? What are
First
you?
of all, there isn't only one
Eskimo?
Eskimo language. There are many. Also, native people of Arctic don't use the word Eskimo. They don't like it. They call themselves
Inuit?
Inuit or Aleut.
Uh-huh.
And finally, having words for different types of snow really is unusual.
Unusual.
There are many words for snow in other languages too. In English, for example, we have sleet, a mix of snow and rain, slush, part of snow and part of water, or a blizzard, a snowstorm in others.
Yes. And the last, Calvin. Well, the linguists.
Yeah. Linguists call word idea the great Eskimo vocabulary holds. So the next time the song will tells you that Eskimo have a 1,000 words for snow, tell them that it isn't true.
Yeah, thank you. Good. Well, yes. I have here for today for the grammar, I have the subject pronoun it. You know, it, that is super easy. It, we use it when we want to talk about an animal, right? Do you remember? Animal, here, animal, an object, right? An object, a place, it. But it's also used when you want to talk about the time, when you want to talk about the weather. For example, I say it's sunny. When I say it's sunny, I mean that the weather is sunny. Yes. Or when I say, for example, it is raining. It is raining is like the weather. It is the weather. It is also used for the time. When I say, for example, it's 3 p.m. It is the hour. The hour is 3 p.m. The time is 3 p.m. So it is not only used for an animal, for an object. No, it's also used for the time, for a situation also, for an event, for something in singular. Because here in this grammar, I have the it here. I have here these words, a linguist, blizzard, Inuit or Aleut, sleet, slush, the Great Eskimo vocabulary hoax. When I say this, let me highlight it. When I say, is the English word for snowstorm? What's the English word for snowstorm?
Blizzard.
A blizzard, right? A blizzard is a storm, it's a snowstorm. So the blizzard. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What was it's a kind of snow that is part snow, part water. That was for
Slush.
Slush.
slush. It's here. Part snow, part water, slush. Como yo les dije, como agua nieve, como, ay, qué nombre les dije. When the snow it's about to melt, cuando ya está derritiendo, slush. Si pongo slush, seguro me va a salir como un cepillado, porque es como esa cosa.
Es que es como una especie de fango que se hace cuando ya pasan los carros o las personas caminan sobre eso.
Y también cuando está así, tipo como lo cepillado, como esto de acá.
Sí,
Slush.
sí.
También sigo slush, es esto, es este tipo de nieve. And that was the slush and the mixture of snow and rain, como granizo. It's a slit.
Slit.
This one here, slit. Then we have which other? Well, we have here this one. Inuit or Aleut. It's a more correct word for Eskimo. For the people that live there, they're also called Inuit or Aleut. And the last one here, the story of how the number of Eskimo words for snow grew. It's
Linguist.
the story, what we read.
The great Eskimo vocabulary.
The Great Eskimo Vocabulary Book is the story of how the number of Eskimo words for snow grew. That's
Le dejé
it.
el micrófono como venía de costumbre.
Yes.
Voy yo.
Here. So for today, I wanted to read with you this because it's in past. It's good for the pronunciation to remember the vocabulary of the past tense. And I have here this weather, these photos about the weather adjectives. When it is like this is,
It's
Sunny.
sunny.
it's sunny. Sunny. When it is like this, it's
It's frozen.
frozen or freezing also. Freezing. Oh, frozen is also correct. Frozen. This
Cloudy.
cloudy. There are many clouds, so it's cloudy. When it's like this,
Raining.
Rain,
rainy. It's raining.
raining.
Rainy. It's raining. You can also say it's raining. Like this.
It's raining.
Then this one,
Windy.
windy. And this,
Windy. Bo
Bowling.
bowl.
Bowling.
boiling. Boiling. It's
Boiling.
boiling. It's really, really
No
hot.
bowling.
No bowling. Boiling.
No bowling.
Uh-huh.
Boiling.
boiling.
Boiling. Yeah.
Okay.
Boiling. Hirviendo. It's super hot. Boiling. Yes. So, well, that's the vocabulary of the weather. Some of words from the weather. Esta semana vamos a estar hablando de the weather, por eso les estoy enseñando esto. Pero sin dejar atrás el pasado. Seguimos con el pasado. We continue with the past tense. I have here these 8 sentences. This. I'm going to read it. Oh, well, you're going to read it. And you tell me what option do you think is the correct? The first one. Who wants to try the first? Where you went, where did you go, or where did you went? What do you think? What's the correct form?
Where?
The third.
Yes. Where did you went
Where
at
did
the
you went?
weekend?
This one. Are you sure?
No,
Yes,
sorry.
because-
The second.
The
Where do you
second.
go?
No. Yeah.
Where do you go?
Where did you go? And where you went is also possible, but it's informal. It's informal. But this one, no. Where did you went? No. Where you went at the weekend is it's informal, but it's good. And where did you go? It's a perfect form. So we're going to be doing this in this moment. Who wants to go with the second? Who you went? Who did you go? Who did you go on holiday with?
Who
The second.
did you go?
Who did
Who did you go?
hmm?
Who do you go on holiday with?
Who did you go on holiday with? And well, did go you? No. Here, who you went with? This is also possible, but it's informal, as I said. But who you went with? Yeah, it's also correct. The third. How
The first one.
How
The
did you
third
travel is good, yes. How did you travel? No, because we have the auxiliary. So you don't have
Third is good, I think.
to put the verb in past. This one is good.
Uh-huh.
How did you travel to London? But this is informal. So both, how did you travel to London? How you travel to London? Both are good. Then fourth. What did you do?
What do you did last night?
Which one? The second, the first?
The third.
What did you,
Oh, the first one.
No, what did you do last night?
what did you do is possible. What did you do last
What
night?
did you did?
What you did last night?
What you did?
Yes. See here. These two are correct. This is formal with the auxiliary. This is informal. Because this here, this is not an auxiliary. This is a verb. In this, yeah, this is auxiliary. But in this is a verb. what you did last night. Then the fifth, have a good time. Have a,
You have
Did you have a good time at the party?
you have a good time.
So did you have a good time?
No,
The
did you
party.
have?
And this one, had you a
Has-
good time? It sounds weird. I would say that the most common is this. Did you have a good time at the party? Like this.
Yeah, because did is in past, so have
Mhm.
is not have to be had.
Had is weird. It sounds weird. It's better, did you
Did
have?
you had? Did
Did
you
you have
have?
a good time at the party? That's the correct form. Then, talking about it, the sixth, the seventh, and the eighth. Talking about the it, the subject pronoun it. What do
The
you
last
say?
one.
What time it is?
Is
Time is
is
it.
it?
Is it.
This one. What time
It.
is it? Yes. What time is? No. What time it is? What time is it? Then snowy in Alaska in December.
The second one.
Is yes.
The second. The second one
It.
is good. Both
is
are
the
good.
first
Yeah,
one.
because it's a question.
If it is a question, we have to
The
start
first
with the
one.
verb. So it's,
Mhm.
for
Yeah.
example,
It's snowy.
when I say, "Are you married?" When I ask a question with the verb,
Exactly.
I start with the verb. Are you married? Is is that is that your car? Is it snowy in Alaska in December? But this is also possible. It is snowy in Alaska in December, more informal, but yeah. These both are good. And the eighth, blizzard. What do you think? Blizzard.
Blizzard it is
There is blizzard
is
Blizzard is.
the English form.
is
Blizzard is.
the England word for the snowstorm.
Blizzard is because blizzard is it. Blizzard is the English word for snowstorm.
A snowstorm.
Take the photo of this. Here. And let me send it. Here. Ah. Here. Now, talking about the past tense. What's the past tense of become?
Okay.
Became.
Became.
Became. And no.
Change the O
For
for A.
and no.
Change the O for E.
New.
New.
And make.
Made.
Made with D. Made.
Yeah.
Okay.
And C.
So
So. I'm going to start with the irregular. Win.
one
Won. Hear.
One.
here,
Heard.
Here.
Heard. Heard.
Heard.
Hear. Heard. Live.
left,
Left. Right.
wrote,
Road.
Wrote. All of them are irregular. Then the regular we have stopped,
Stop.
double P,
Late.
Please. Estaba.
Study.
and
ese no es.
this. Played, studied, visited, stopped.
Yeah.
This one has the sound here, has the sound of a T. This one has the sound of a D.
One.
This one too.
Two.
And this one is it. Visited, visited,
Stopped. Played.
stopped, 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 stopped. The T sound, stopped, stopped. Take a photo.
I have a question.
Tell me, of course.
You say like 2 minutes ago, weird. It's a weird. Can you tell me what is weird? Because today I listen weird like 10 times, maybe 20 times.
Weird.
Yeah.
Weird like this. Weird.
Uh-huh. So,
I said it. I said weird.
oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You say something like weird, so
Ajá.
I want to know where is
Escuché
weird.
hablado de la centena.
Weird. Weird when something is strange, algo que es raro. Weird. That's
Oh, okay,
it's
okay.
Pero no sé en qué momento lo dije, no sé cuándo dije weird, pero
Cuando estamos haciendo las centenas que estamos escogiendo entre las tres.
ajá. Ah, okay, okay. Well, weird is something that is strange, algo que es raro. That's weird. That's weird. Es extraño, es raro. It's weird. So yes, weird is this.
Okay.
Here you have the regular and the irregular. Here you have the weather. Obviamente el weather tiene más vocabulario, pero vamos a empezar por aquí. Sunny, freezing, cloudy, rainy, with those ones. Okay. Hoy les dije que íbamos a estar leyendo para practicar la lectura. Siempre trato de buscar uno que otro día para leer. Entonces leímos el Great Scheme of Vocabulary Hoax y vamos a leer este de una feria de libros, a book fair. Yes, fair. Fair es feria. Book fair, like this. It's a book fair. Una feria de libros en los Emiratos Árabes Unidos, in the United Arab Emirates, in Sharjah. It's a book fair. It's here. This here. Let me put it like this. It has 3 paragraphs. It has a lot of past tense. Who wants to go with the first? The first paragraph of the book, Oriana, the book fair. The
Yeah,
last
second.
Jose the second.
And me three.
Good.
Pleasure.
Great. The Oriana, the first.
Last week, ¿cómo se dice eso?
The Sharjah.
Last week, the Sharjah World Book Fair took place in Sharjah, in United Arab Emirates.
Emirates.
The Sharjah World Book Fair lasted 10 days. The Sharjah World Book Fair is famous all over the world because we're over 1,000 publishers from many different countries at the book fair. Thousands of people visited the book fair.
Yeah, publishers. Publishers, like an publishers. Perfect. The second was Jose. The book fair had, what did it have?
The book fair had lot of different sections, including sections for children's books. Most books were in Arabic, but there were some books in English. Lot of different writers came to the fair. There were several activities for children. There was also a lot of delicious Arabic food.
Yes. Look at this verb.
You say Arabic or Arabic?
Arabic.
Arabic, yes.
I think it's
Arabic food.
I always say Arabic. Let's see. Arabic. Arabic is the nationality for Saudi Arabia. Arabic. The nationality.
Arabic, Arabic, Arabic.
Yes, it's in
Arabic.
in the first syllable. Arabic. Las A muchas veces suenan así, que parecen una E, pero no es una E. No es ni una A ni es una E. Es un sonido que se hace poniendo la boca como una E, pero el sonido que va a salir es la A. Así como,
Como si fuese la A sola. Ey.
van a colocar los labios como si fuera una E, pero el sonido que sale es de la A. Esa A, ese sonido, la A en inglés tiene diferentes sonidos. Ese es uno y es muy común. A veces la A suena normal como la A de español, pero a veces también suena así, Arabic, Arabic. O cuando decimos reírse, laugh, 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 laugh. It's like an E and an A. It's like a mixture. Es como una mezcla de A y E. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Pero no siempre. Está apple, apple sí es A. Apple, apple. Entonces sí, la A en inglés tiene unos 5 sonidos diferentes. Pero no pasa nada si no los conocen todos, pues no es tan fácil diferenciarlo. Pero a la palabra que iba, writer, que les estoy diciendo que la W muchas veces es silent, is mute. Here, writer, 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 writer. The W is silent too. Writer, writer. Or when I say, for example, this, in the past tense, road, 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 road is also silent. The W is silent lots of times. Then the last was Alejandra, the Sharjah World Book Fair.
Okay. The Sharjah World Book Fair takes place every year.
Mhm.
Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasemi, president of Sharjah, visits the book fair. The aim of the book fair is to encourage young people to buy and read more books.
Mhm.
The books are not usually very expensive. Teacher, what is aim? The aim.
Aim. Aim tiene diferentes definiciones. Aim puede ser puntería. Cuando alguien dice, you have good aim, tienes buena puntería, you have good aim. Pero aim también puede ser el propósito. El propósito de la feria, a lo que quieren llegar con esa feria, lo que quieren lograr, su propósito de aim, a lo que están apuntando, a lo que quieren que suceda, the aim es to encourage. You know what is encourage? Encourage, ¿no? Encourage es como motivar, animar a
Traer.
las personas.
Ajá.
Okay.
Encourage es como motivar, animar a las
Okay.
personas a comprar y leer más. To encourage. O sea, el fin de la feria, el motivo, lo que quieren lograr es animar a las personas a comprar, to buy and read more books. Kelvin, read the last paragraph to understand better the idea. The Sharjah World Book Fair.
The Sharjah World Book Fair takes place every year. Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasemi, president of the Sharjah, visit the book fair. The aim of the book fair is to encourage young people to buy and read more books.
Read
The
more
books are not usually very expensive.
Yeah, the books are not usually good, perfect. This paragraph is easy. It has a lot of easy words. The only ones I think maybe aim and encourage, but the last one and the rest. Is there another word that you don't know? You know the publishers.
Teacher, over it's
More,
encima.
more.
Yeah.
Over. There were over 1,000, 1,010, 1,100, more than 1,000, over. You know what is a publisher? This. No? Publisher? Yeah. Si saben. The publisher.
Publicaciones.
Los que publican los
publica.
libros. The publishers. Yes. Exacto. Los encargados de publicar
Editora.
los libros. The publishers. Is there another word from here that you don't know? ¿Hay alguna otra that you don't understand? Tell me. Any other word?
Ese es el nombre completo del presidente.
The Sheikh
Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasemi.
Al Qasemi, that's the name. Yeah, because
Dios.
it's in the United Arab Emirates. It's in the United Arab, in Sharjah. You know, the United Arab Emirates, los Emiratos Árabes son six, I think six. Dubai, Sharjah, United Arab Emirates.
Yo
Like six?
pensé
Como que seis, ¿no?
que
Seven. Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ahman, and Fuha. Seven United Arab Emirates. So Sharjah is one of them. And the book fair was in Sharjah. So another word from here. Tell me. Nope. Well, I have here 8 questions. 8 questions here. These here. Tenemos 8 preguntas aquí. No las vamos a hacer hoy. Se las voy a pasar para que no me las tienen que responder. Mañana lo vamos a hacer juntos. Pero se las voy a dejar en el grupo para que las vayan leyendo. Están en pasado. When did the event take place? Where did it take place? You know what is take place? When did it happen? Take place. Cuando take place es cuando sucedió. When did it take place? ¿En qué momento pasó? Por ejemplo, I say Taylor Swift next or last concert took place in Miami. El último concierto de Taylor Swift fue en Miami. Took place, tomar lugar, que sucedió. It took place. Okay. So when did the event take place? Where? How long did it last? How many people attended? What happened at the event? How often does it take place? What is the aim of the event? Remember the word aim. Aim. ¿Cuál es el propósito? Propósito, ¿cuál es el motivo?
Objetivo.
Exactly. What did people buy, sell, and eat? So I'm going to send you this because tomorrow we're going to be reading this again and we're going to answer the questions because the questions are in past. So we are going to practice the past. No me lo tienen que enviar, lo voy a hacer.
Teacher, but
Ajá.
what is the report? And the first,
This
this.
last week here, the book fair.
Okay.
All the paragraph about the book fair. Sobre
Okay.
la feria. ¿Cuándo sucedió? ¿Qué tanto duró? ¿Cuántas personas fueron? Todas estas preguntas las vamos a estar respondiendo mañana acerca de la feria. ¿Okay? Y también tienen este párrafo de Great Scheme of Vocabulary Hosts. Ya lo leí con ustedes, pero es bueno eso, que traten de leer documentos así, no tan largos, al menos una vez al día, 2 veces al día. Leer es muy bueno, ayuda mucho leer y después de leer una vez, volver a leer para entender qué fue lo que decía el párrafo. La primera vez uno siempre lee como que hay todo rápido y la segunda vez siempre es, ok, voy a tratar de entender qué dice, tratar de entender la que no importa si hay una u otra palabra que no conozco, pero entiendo lo que quiere decir el párrafo, eso es lo más importante. Okay. But this one here, this is easy, I think. The Sharjah World Book Fair. This one is not difficult. It's a book fair in the United Arab Emirates. A lot of people were there. They sell books. This one was easy. So we're going to be answering this tomorrow. Do you have another question about this? Tell me. Nope.
Teacher, what is the difference? Bueno, no.
Tell me.
Take es tomar. Took es tomó.
Ajá. Sí, pero no siempre take es tomar, porque por ejemplo, si yo digo I take my breakfast, me desayuno, yo desayuno, I take my breakfast. I take my breakfast at 6 a.m. Yo desayuno, ya, no tomar, no, yo desayuno. I take my breakfast at 6 a.m. The take puede ser tomar, pero no siempre. Take es uno de esos verbos que se usa para muchas cosas. Por ejemplo, el que les dije, take place. My birthday took place in Aruba, for example. Mi cumpleaños fue en Aruba. Porque normalmente no decimos tomó lugar, ¿no? Sino como fue en Aruba. It was in Aruba. Okay. O sea, hay que tener cuidado con take porque significa tomar, pero a veces no siempre es tan literal. Okay. O sea, hay que tener cuidado con algunas palabras que pareciera que fuera a decirse literalmente como es en español y no siempre la traducción es literal. Okay. So tell me more questions about this. Any other? Nope. Sure. ¿Seguros? No? Bueno. Tomorrow we are going to continue with this. Tomorrow we are going to do this together. the World Book Fair, and we're going to answer these questions, the 8 questions. Las pueden ir respondiendo y mañana ven si las hicieron bien conmigo. Mañana las vamos a responder. So, have a good night, and I see you tomorrow.
Good night, teacher.
Bye.
Bye.